Welcome to HearFirst. Let's get going with today's top stories. Indian pharma giants. Recall products from US Market 3. Prominent Indian pharmaceutical companies, Glenmark, Sun Pharmaceuticals, and Zydus Life Sciences, have initiated voluntary recalls of several products from the United States market. The reason cited for these recalls is manufacturing deviations. While specifics regarding the nature of these deviations remain undisclosed, the recalls underscore the stringent quality control standards enforced by the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA. These recalls affect various medications, highlighting the potential impact on patient safety and the importance of adherence to manufacturing protocols. The recalls involve different batches and quantities of various drugs. The FDA's website provides detailed information on the recalled batches, including lot numbers and product descriptions, to assist healthcare professionals and consumers in identifying affected medications. This proactive approach by the companies and the rigorous oversight of the FDA aims to mitigate any potential risks associated with the identified deviations. The companies have stated their commitment to resolving the issues and ensuring future compliance with all regulatory requirements. This event serves as a reminder of the global implications of maintaining high manufacturing standards in the pharmaceutical industry. The scale of the recalls underscores the seriousness of the situation and the significant effort required to rectify the manufacturing processes. Consumers and healthcare providers are advised to consult the FDA website or contact their respective pharmacies for further information. Moving on, Gujarat ATS and Indian Coast Guard seize massive drug haul. A collaborative operation between the Indian Coast Guard (ICG) and the Gujarat Anti-Terrorism Squad (Gujarat ATS) resulted in the seizure of over 300 kilograms of narcotics. The combined value of the confiscated drugs is estimated to be approximately 1,800 crore rupees. The ICG vessel successfully intercepted a drug smuggling attempt near the International Maritime Boundary Line (IMBL). This operation was launched based on crucial intelligence provided by the Gujarat ATS. Although the individuals involved in the illicit activity managed to escape across the IMBL, the ICG crew successfully recovered the narcotics that had been discarded by the suspects. This significant seizure represents a substantial blow to transnational drug trafficking networks operating in the region. The successful collaboration highlights the importance of coordinated efforts between various law enforcement agencies in combating the menace of drug smuggling. The investigation into the incident is ongoing. Moving on, boy killed in Australian farm shooting. Relatives charged. Tragedy struck a rural property in Australia on Sunday, resulting in the death of a 9-year-old boy from a gunshot wound. 2 individuals, including a teenager, have been taken into custody following the incident, identified by police as relatives of the young victim. The shooting occurred on a farm, sending shockwaves through the local community. Authorities have initiated a thorough investigation to determine the exact circumstances surrounding the incident. While details remain scarce, police have indicated that the shooting appears to be accidental. The names of those involved, including the deceased child, have yet to be released out of respect for the family's privacy. The 2 relatives face charges related to the firearm discharge, although the specific nature of the charges hasn't been publicly disclosed. This tragedy underscores the importance of firearm safety, particularly in environments where children are present. Moving on. Major breakthrough in Choksi case. India celebrates arrest. The arrest of Mehul Choksi in Belgium is being hailed as a significant achievement by the Indian government. Pankaj Chaudhary, Minister of State for Finance, described the development as a very big achievement. The arrest marks a crucial step in India's efforts to extradite Choksi, who is wanted in connection with a major bank fraud case involving billions of rupees. The exact details surrounding his apprehension remain unclear, but the news has been met with widespread celebration within India. The government is now expected to initiate the formal process of extradition, a complex legal procedure that could take considerable time. The successful arrest is a major victory for Indian law enforcement agencies and is viewed as a step towards bringing those responsible for financial crimes to justice. The case has been closely followed by the public, and the arrest is seen as a sign that India is committed to pursuing those who flee the country to avoid prosecution. The cooperation of Belgian authorities is also being lauded as instrumental in securing Choksi's arrest. The Sarkar is optimistic about Choksi's return to India to face trial. Moving on. Choksi's Caribbean kidnapping. A honey trap allegation. Reports suggest that Mehul Choksi, a fugitive businessman, was allegedly abducted from a Caribbean island. The incident involved a purported honey trap, leading to his subsequent kidnapping. Details remain scarce, but the narrative paints a picture of a complex operation targeting Choksi. The exact location on the Caribbean island and the identities of those involved haven't been fully revealed. However, the implication of a carefully orchestrated plan raises questions about the methods employed and potential international ramifications. The incident highlights the challenges in apprehending high-profile fugitives, particularly those operating outside of India's jurisdiction. Investigations are underway, aiming to uncover the full circumstances surrounding Choksi's abduction and the role of any potential collaborators. The case also underscores the complexities of extradition proceedings and the persistent pursuit of those accused of financial crimes. The involvement of a honey trap adds a layer of intrigue to the already complex situation, and the aftermath will likely involve international legal and diplomatic efforts. Moving on. Ashish Saraf, appointed head of Pratt and Whitney, India. Pratt and Whitney has appointed Ashish Saraf as its new vice president and country head for India. He replaces the previous head and joins from Thalys, where he previously held a significant position. This appointment is particularly noteworthy given Pratt and Whitney's current challenges. The company is grappling with ongoing engine issues affecting Airbus A320 aircraft, causing disruptions for airlines such as Indigo. In his new role, Saraf will be responsible for driving strategic growth initiatives within India. His responsibilities will encompass a wide range of areas, including engineering, supply chain management, and digital transformation. He will be crucial in navigating the company through its current operational complexities and ensuring continued success in the Indian market. The appointment signifies Pratt & Whitney's commitment to the Indian aviation sector and its focus on resolving existing challenges while fostering future growth. His expertise will be vital in addressing the current engine issues and implementing necessary changes for improved reliability and performance. Moving on. Indian potbelly. From status symbol to silent killer, India's obesity crisis is experiencing a significant surge, and the seemingly harmless belly may be a more dangerous villain than it appears. Previously considered a symbol of prosperity and good health, especially in rural areas, the protruding belly, often referred to as a pot belly, is now recognized as a major health risk. This shift in perception is crucial as it highlights the growing concern of abdominal obesity in India. While overall obesity rates are increasing, the accumulation of fat around the stomach, known as visceral fat, poses a particularly serious threat. This type of fat is linked to an elevated risk of diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. The changing lifestyles, with reduced physical activity and increased consumption of processed foods, contribute significantly to this alarming trend. Experts emphasize the need for increased awareness about the dangers of abdominal obesity and encourage the adoption of healthier habits, including regular exercise and a balanced diet. The focus should shift from viewing obesity as a sign of prosperity to understanding its potential to be a silent killer. This requires a collective effort to address the growing health crisis and promote healthier lifestyles across the country. Thank you for listening to Hear First.